crazy. All right, where y'all betting at? We over here betting on my I'll take the left lane. I'll take the Mustang. Anybody want to bet? Left lane for the win. Okay, okay. TikTok picked them right. TikTok was betting with the left lane also. Oh shit, it dropped a percent. It went down to 27% now. That still ain't bad. Oh shit, here come Ronnie, y'all. Oh shit. Oh. He ain't want no problem. Dude. Is that your freaking car back there? The Caprice with the freaking supercharger on it? Dude, move your car. There's someone with the freaking trailer who's trying to turn around in the pits and your car happened to be in the way. What the fuck? Oh yeah, that is probably what he'll say. I just freaking saw your flag, and it's a nice flag and everything. I mean, I don't think I'm hating on your flag or anything. It's very nice. It's just overly large, and we really can't have that out here at the Yello Belly because you're promoting your channel, and move your flag, man. I mean, I'm just gonna say it nice. Move your flag. Okay, everybody saying that. Okay. Oh! Trevor looked like he done jumped out there on him. Can he hold him up? Oh, no. Oh, no, he ain't holding them off. That Camaro done won. Look out all my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all. I'm live on YouTube in HD showing clear as I don't know what, man. And I got a whole bunch of people over here. We having a good time. We betting money and everything. We got Limpy in the chat. You know Limpy. Hey, you know Limpy? Limpy, the king of street racing. Okay, you ever seen that dude with the flashlight on his head? He be at the street races. They be at the street race. He turned the flashlight on. Yeah, that's Limpy, man. Okay, my channel, Look Out Racing. Check mine out. Look Out Racing. Yeah. Yeah, them new schools. We're gonna need a new Limpy for when they get them a car. We're gonna need a new Limpy. Limpy gonna be tired by the time they get them a electric vet. Damn. Well, hey, I looked out. Boy, he made me get on my tippy toes. But I scooted them things back, boy. He was on my tiptoe. Okay, y'all. Full pass and no full pass. Okay. They don't know nothing about racing. Oh shit, he finna re-burn out? Oh goddamn. Hey, it wasn't no water in the box. See, get my car. Wey, puro pinche Rafa. Hey, wey, he fucking does the R&R tune. I heard he was badass. fucking hook in this bitch. What kind do you have? Sticky pickle? A la verga. Simón, dale, 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 dale. Dale, dale. Dale, dale, dale. Dale, dale. Now he got that truck rolling. I freaking told you the fucking truck is running. Fucking R&R. Puro pinche Rafa. Rafa makes those fucking trucks go fast, Holmes. Take your shit up there, Holmes. He fucking makes it move out. I don't know how much money you have to spend. Maybe a fortune. But he's gonna have your shit running. He fucking knows what to do. Fucking cost you out the ass. La verga. Hey, look at y'all. Make sure y'all hitting that like button one time for the one time. They said we got 600 people in the chat and 200 likes. So we trying to go on hit that. Jale way. Let it eat. No mames, let me see something. The True Morty. What's up with it? Yeah, bro, do need a wash. Sibas. Jales con